Welcome to our channel where we bring you tips and tricks to improve your gardening skills. In today's video, we will be discussing the importance of pollination in tomato plants and showing you three different methods of pollination that you can use to get amazing results. Pollination is the transfer of pollen from the male to the female organs of a flower, and it can happen through various means, including wind and insects like bees. Bees are one of the most effective pollinators for tomatoes plants, and having a healthy population of bees in your garden can help increase your yield significantly. But what if you don't have bees in your garden or you are growing your tomato plants in a greenhouse? That's where manual pollination comes in. There are three methods of manual pollination that you can use. The first method is using a paintbrush or a cotton swab to transfer pollen from the male organs to the female organs of the flower. Simply dab the brush or swab into the flower's center and then transfer the pollen to the stigma, the sticky part of the flower's female organ. The second method is using an electric toothbrush. Simply turn on the toothbrush and gently touch it to the center of the flower, allowing the vibration to shake loose the pollen. The third method is using vine. If you are growing your tomato plants outdoor in a windy location, you can simply shake the plants gently to release the pollen from the male organs and allow it to still onto the female organs. With these three methods of pollination, you can help ensure that your tomato plants produce a bountiful harvest. Give them a try and see the amazing results for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.